Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will provide you with something you should read in order to gain money quickly. If you need money and want to get rich quickly, this wazifa will help you achieve that, inshallah. About this wazifa, there is a story behind it. There was a man who had lost his job. He was a very troubled man because of this. Without a job, he was not earning any money, and without any money, he could not support himself or his family. He didn't have much money, and it was getting to the point where he needed to get some money quick. He needed to get rich quickly to be able to even live. He was unable to find a job, and had gone to the masjid one day to pray Fajr Salah. The man, when asking for his dua after finishing Salah, asked for help with his situation. The old man who was sitting next to him had heard this, and after finishing asking for dua, he turned to the man and asked him if he was having money problems. The man said yes, and he even explained to the old man that what his situation was, and that he needed money urgently or else he would no longer even have a home. The old man then said, if you are in need of money urgently, then recite a tasbih of Ya Allahu, Ya Wahhabu, Ya Razzaqu every day. Do it at this time, which was right after Fajr Salah, or at any time during the day. The man was of course very desperate, so he listened to the old man and did just as he said. He recited a tasbih of Ya Allahu, Ya Wahhabu, Ya Razzaqu right then and the next day as well after Fajr Salah. And during the next day, when he went out to look for a job, he found a very high-paying job and was making lots of money in no time. This shows that if you read a tasbih of Ya Allahu, Ya Wahhabu, Ya Razzaqu every day, you can earn money quickly. So you read this 100 times, and it is most beneficial to do this right after Fajr Salah. Doing this will get rid of any of your problems and get rid of your poverty. You will be able to earn money quickly and get rich, insha'Allah Azza wa Jal. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and take a look at my other videos.